Hello, I am Rahul Kumar Singh, registration number 18BEC0728, and I belong to slot C1 plus TC1. The journal I have chosen for this TA is FFT Implementation with Fused Floating Point Operation, which was published in March 2016. Before we start, all the diagrams in this TA has been made with software draw.io, and all the necessary links related to DA is provided in video description below the video. So let's start. For first question, explain how the selected paper related to COA syllabus. In our COA curriculum, there is topic processing unit and data path in module 2 which discusses the ALU and different algorithms associated with it. It includes different algorithms like Booth algorithm for signed and unsigned multiplication, and also our curriculum discusses floating point operations. Similarly, in selected journal, this paper describes two fused floating point operation and applies them to implementation of FFT processes. The fused operations here are two-term dot product and add subtract unit. Coming to question 2, draw the existing architecture discussed in the paper using appropriate raster graphics editor. Here the existing architecture discussed in paper is drawn using the software draw.io and is not copy pasted. As you can see, the diagram has been drawn using the tool draw.io and it's entirely editable. Now, coming to question 3, draw the tabulated results and graphs using the Office suite in EPS file format. The following results have been taken directly from the journal published. The table basically shows the comparison between the results of existing architecture, which is discrete floating point operation, and the architecture discussed in the paper, which is fused floating point operation. And we can see there has been significant improvement in fused floating point operation as compared to discrete floating point operation. Similarly, the other tables compare the existing architecture and architecture discussed in paper with different criteria, such as table 2 compares fused add subtract area comparison, table 3 shows discrete parallel fuse add subtract comparison, table 4 shows implementation of radix 2 DIF FFT butterfly unit, table 5 shows implementation of radix 4 DIT FFT butterfly unit, table 6 shows error in FFT butterflies. Further, table 7 and table 8 shows errors in 64 point radix 2 and 4 FFT respectively. Table 6, 7 and 8 compares the errors in existing architecture, which is discrete, and architecture discussed in the paper, which is fused. And here also we can see there has been significant improvement while using fused floating point operation. Now next question, which is question number 4. Draw the proposed architecture discussed in the paper using diagramming and vector graphic application software in EPS file format. As in table 2, as in question 2, the diagrams here are also drawn using draw.io software. There are two proposed architecture discussed in the paper. First one is floating point fused multiply add unit, also called FMA unit, and the second one is floating point fused dot product unit, which is also called as FTP. For verification purpose, we can see the diagram has been drawn in draw.io. This is the first architecture FMA unit, part 1 of question 4, and similarly the second proposed architecture FTP unit is also drawn in this software, And this is the second diagram of question 4, and you can see it is completely editable and is made using this software. Now moving on to next question. Question 5. Draw the transistor level internal diagram using electronic schematic capture and simulation tool in EPS file format. Okay. So this is transistor level internal block diagram of schematics discussed in the paper, and this is also drawn using the same tool draw.io, and for verification purpose you can see the diagram has been drawn in this software, and again it's editable. Now moving on to next question, which is compare the proposed architecture with existing architecture in your reference book. As we saw in the tabulated results in previous question, we can compare the proposed architecture with existing architecture. There is a significant area reduction compared to conventional parallel discrete implementation of two multiplier and an adder, since the rounding and normalization logic of both multipliers are eliminated. In addition, the fused TP unit provides slightly more accurate results because only one rounding operation is performed compared to three rounding operations of the discrete implementation. The fused dot product is far faster than conventional implementation since rounding and normalization is not required as a part of each multiplication. In short, the proposed architecture is lot more efficient than existing architecture and is faster and takes relatively lesser area. The next question lists the advantage of proposed design over the existing design. The proposed architecture has several advantages over discrete floating point adders in general purpose processor. For example, the FMA reduces latency of multiplication followed by addition. Also, single FMA may be used to replace floating point adder and floating point multiplier. In fused implementation, the sum and the difference operation can share a substantial amount of operand alignment logic with benefit of reducing the circuit area. The existing design is relatively primitive to the proposed architecture, as the dot product and add subtract operation may be performed serially, which is relatively slow. Generally, they are performed in parallel, which is expensive both in silicon area and the power consumption. Coming to next question, list the merit and demerits of proposed and existing architecture. The merits of fused FFT architecture are listed. Some merits are efficient floating implementation of butterfly units, high throughput more than low latency, reduce the circuit area, reduce the delay. The fused FFT butterflies are 15% faster and 30% smaller than conventional implementation. Also, the numerical results of fused implementation are slightly more accurate since they are using fewer rounding operations. The demerit is due to longer interconnection, the fuse add subtract unit is slightly slower than the discrete implementation. Now question number 9, list the application of proposed design. This paper describes the design of two new fuse floating point arithmetic units and their application to implementation of FFT butterfly operation. Although the fuse add subtract unit is specific to FFT applications, the fuse dot product is applicable to wide variety of signal processing applications. Both the fuse dot product unit and fuse add subtract unit are smaller than parallel implementation constructed with discrete floating point adders and multipliers. Moving to the last question, which is draw the flowchart or algorithm or transistor level circuit proposed in the design. So here is the diagram, transistor level circuit proposed in the architecture, and it is drawn again with draw.io, and For verification, here is the diagram drawn in the software, and again it's editable, which can be clearly seen. So that's all for this day. Thank you.